Hello, Akwaba to the Math Classroom. If you are new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And to my subscribers, Aiko. Over this period, we've been discussing differential equations. We looked at some applications, the definitions, and in our previous lecture, we were looking at the general solution of a differential equation. Our lesson today focuses on the particular solutions and initial conditions of what a differential equation. So what is the particular solution here? So the particular solution is any solution that is obtained by assigning a specific values to the words, the constants in the general solution. So we have assigning specific words values, to the constants in the general solution. So general solution, what's the previous lesson we looked at? So with the general solution, you realize that we actually looked at a differential equation and we give the general solution of that differential equation. So for instance, when we had a differential equation, let's say I had a differential equation x y prime minus 2y to be equal to 0. And let's say we have y to be equal to c to the power x. This is what the general solution. This is a general solution. So this is our general solution. Now, to find the particular solution, what we want to do is assign a value to the constants in the general solution. So we introduce initial conditions. So we introduce initial conditions here. Okay, so that means that the particular solutions are going to be obtained from this general solution and the initial conditions for which you are given. So the initial condition can be written as, so let's say initial condition can be written as, let's say y to be equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. So this is our initial condition. Very good. So from here, you realize that if we have all these details, then we can find the solution of a differential equation. So with this example, let's say with this example, this is the general solution. If I want to find the particular solution of this differential equation, all I have to do is find the value of y and c and do the substitution. So from here, we said y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. So I have y here. Y here is 2. I have c. S is equal to 1 squared. So what do you realize? You realize that my c here is equal to 2. So to find a particular solution, So our particular solution is then going to be what? Y to be equal to what? Cx squared. And C is what? 2. So I have 2x what? Squared. This is what? The particular solution of a differential what? Equation. So in our next lesson, we take more examples to look at. So kindly don't miss the next lecture. Thank you.